Hey y'all, it's Jack. So I'm in my parents' house, in Tay house, but today we're just gonna get right into it. I don't really know how this is gonna turn out. I have this dress. It looks really cute on me. I'll insert video here. Okay, well, while we're here, can y'all let me know in the comments if y'all think this dress is cute? Like, originally it's supposed to be like this, but this looks weird to me. So I put it off the shoulders. But I was thinking, what if I just like got rid of this top part, put like spaghetti straps, and then you just wear like a little button-up shirt underneath it, so it's like overlapping the straps. I think that would be cute. Because I don't want to get rid of the whole thing just because I don't like this top part, you know? Anyways, let me know. Okay, but it's really like, I mean, as you can see, it's a little bit weird. So today I'm going to try and change that. So plan is to get rid of this horizontal stripey part, little Jack Skellington, and then add two like spaghetti straps and attach them to the front and back. So I'm gonna do that using my mom's sewing kit. I just pulled this out of the closet. This is like literally my favorite thing. I love it.
Thank you.
First thing we're gonna do is, I guess, separate and like cut this seam around here so that this whole shirt part comes off. Luckily my mom's got like 17 fabric scissors, so hopefully this should be easy. I don't really know where to start. Okay, I'm gonna start by cutting out, like, if I can get like right into the, ooh, that snipped easy. Oh, let's do this. Let's get into it.
Yeah, get into it!
Okay, I did not take my medicine today. There's no way I'm gonna have time for this. What if I just, we're just going crazy here. What if I cut like right here? Okay. And then I just went along. This is, will it be working out surprisingly well? Got the wrong piece. Oh no, okay. We're gonna, this is gonna be fine. I fixed it, because I'm awesome.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before.
Ooh, I'm nervous. Okay. Okay, I'm right around the zipper, which means that I'm just gonna go around the other thing. I started like underneath an armpit, and now I'm making my way. I made my way to the back zipper on one side, and now I have to go around like the chest and the front. This is so much fun. This thing cuts so easy. I bet it cuts like, nope, not gonna go there. I bet it cuts like skin so easily. Is that weird to say? Should I not have said that?
Call the police. We need to call the police.
Oops, should not have said that. Oopsie doopsie, I muffed it up again.
Oopsie doopsie, I muffed it up again.
Okay, ooh, we're almost to the end. We're almost to the end. Okay, what if, for the zipper, I'm just gonna cut the zipper like up here, because I know that'll be fine. Up like a couple inches above where I want the new zipper to be. Oh yeah, that's another thing I have to do. I have to, woo! Oh, I did it, oh my god. Oh, I did it, I'm so proud of myself. Ooh, that was nervous. I've been thinking about this for months. And here we are doing it in January. Next thing I want to do is move. I need to get pliers, and I'm going to be moving this zipper stop from up here down here. Okay, I'll be right back after this commercial break. We're back. I'm back. And then I'm going to put my hair up in a little ponytail. I got a ponytail. Ponytail. That's from, because I do not know what that's from. I guess I can get like in it. Okay, let me show you what I have to do. Okay, so I'm taking this clasp out. You see, okay, yeah, you can see the hook I need to take off this clasp with the seam ripper so that I can get into... That's not gonna work. Okay, but you can kind of see it. After the zipper, there's like that metal zipper stopper right there. I need to pull that out with pliers, but I can't really get to it until I take out this clasp. But I need this clasp for actually clasping the dress together as well. So win-win, because I still need this. This is becoming a lot more involved than I initially anticipated. Oh well, this is a year of doing, this is 2021. Year of doing the stuff that I want to do, but I'm too anxious to do. I started a YouTube channel last year, and then I low-key abandoned it for like 2 months. Ow! Ooh, I stabbed myself. Oh, that didn't hurt as much as I made it out to seem. Oh, there we go, okay. Okay, baby. Oh, baby! Now, we can get to that clip. Okay, so I'm gonna take out some of the zipper parts. Oh, I did it. Oh, thank God. Okay. Next side. Oh, this has a hook that I need to. Okay, let me get this one. Little Mickey. Oh. All right.
Oh. All right.
I'm going to make the zipper so that it stops right where this dress stops, so around here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to like cut this off. Well, before I cut that off, I'm going to have to pull out little zipper pins like I did, put the zipper stop back in, test it, make sure it works. So wish me luck. I'm going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. Well, running dry. You want back. Don't be the one. You don't forget. Ooh. That's very good. I will need that. Oh my god, the best part comes in layers! I don't know how I'm gonna do this. And my plan has failed. Oh, work! Period! Yes! No! I dropped it. Oh, I dropped it. Oh, I dropped it good this time. Oh. I'm like, look at the back. It looks fine. I mean, I'm gonna cut off that part. The only problem is that my nippy whippies are right here. So, which is why I need those straps to hold it in. Well, actually, my nipples really aren't high. This dress is just low because it wasn't built for someone with my rib cage. Built for a woman's rib cage. Okay. Are you kidding me? This is so cute. This is good. This is good. I'm excited. Ah! I'm excited. Oh. Ooh. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay. We are going to do the straps. We're gonna get the straps to hold this up. Sound good? Okay. I look so good in this lighting. Are you kidding me? Ooh. Okay. Sorry. Bye.
Mucho tiempo después.
It's been a couple months. It is now April 2nd. I filmed that last part in like January. I'm in a new state, but we are going to continue doing this. So I really want to finish this today because I've been putting it off because I wanted to do it, but I didn't feel like filming. But here we are. I have to finish up. I want to seal off like these frayed edges by the back of the zipper. I want to add some straps and maybe like do a little bit of embroidery. Not embroidery, doing like sewing a couple of little flowers on the front somewhere.
Yes, that didn't happen.
I don't know, we'll see. But we're gonna start. Okay, I don't really have a plan for this. I think I'm just going to do a bunch of like loops around. I don't really know. I looked up a tutorial on like how to do things, but it seems like a lot of work and I'm lazy. So we'll see. I don't really have a plan for this. I really don't know. Maybe I should try and, I don't really know. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it.
One thing I have realized, that if God don't do it, it just won't get done. It's gonna take a miracle from God. If God don't do it, it won't get done. If God don't do it, it won't get done. If God don't do it, it won't get done. It's gonna take a miracle from God.
Okay, I'm gonna try and bring y'all in and show you what I'm doing. But I'm gonna put my needle right next to where my like first needle place was. I pull my needle through and then I'm bringing it through the loop to make like kind of like a little bit of a knot, and then going back down and then placing my needle right next to where that previous one was, and then pulling through, bring the needle back through that loop, and then going through that same process. Okay, so I just finished, I don't know, sewing these up. Now I need to go downstairs, check my laundry, and then I think I'm going to work on the straps next. So, I'll see you when I see you. Okay, so I'm nervous. So I think I'm just gonna cut the elastic in half first, because if I cut one strap and it's like too short, then I need to go out and buy more elastic. So
that won't be happening anymore.
If they're too long, we can shorten them, and I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Skull, I accidentally recorded this next section in slow motion, so here is a section of that to enjoy.
Strap sewn on, and like it looks pretty good. Like it feels fine. I like where it's placed. I don't know, it feels secure, it's tight enough. But it's still like loose right here. I might have to add some like structure to this part. I don't really know yet. We'll see. But I am gonna go ahead, match this to this side. So I'll see y'all.
Oh my God, yes!
I finished. I've got both straps sewn on. I'm going to maybe put on some makeup, style some outfits, and I will get back to you. Okay, but no, for real? Oh my God. Like, oh my God. Oh, I should have done this years ago. I've had this for like 2 years, maybe even 3. Oh my God, this just like, and you could switch it out for like a different t-shirt if like you want to put like something else on top. You could put like a sweater and have like, okay, I'll be right, ooh, ooh, okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. With the original like look that inspired me to do this. It reminds me of like Jenny's like solo outfit, with like the corset and the shorts, except this is the dress and like the shirt that's like off the shoulder or whatever. But I have straps, so I can't really do the off the shoulder. I've been trying, but anyways, like I already have some like silent footage of this dress or of this outfit, but look how good it looks. like this. Okay.